Let's learn more about what we can do in the garden together. Butterflies flutter gracefully, adorning the garden's grace. Their delicate wings a dance in tranquil space. Children jump with joy in the warmth of the sun's glow. Their laughter fills the air as they play and grow. Colorful kites soar high against the vast expanse, their tails trailing behind in a joyful dance. Strolling through nature's beauty, a sense of peace prevails. Each step a gentle rhythm as the pathway trails. Walking the dog along the path, amidst nature's serene grace. Each step a joyful journey in peaceful space. Laugh as they enjoy the seesaw's playful sway, each up and down a moment in joyful ballet. Swinging back and forth in the playground's embrace, laughter fills the air in carefree race. Autumn breeze whispers softly through the golden leaves, their rustling a melody that the heart receives. Sliding down the slide with laughter and glee, each moment a thrill in jubilant spree. Thank you for exploring the wonders of the garden with us.